And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, Judge Coughenour, who was the recent judge in Rhode Island, I believe it is, that put a stop for like the 6th or 7th time to Donald Trump's lawlessness of enacting a constitutional executive order that specifically prohibits the birthrights of citizenship, has officially accused him of knowingly violating the rule of law in which every dang U.S. citizen in the United States is required to follow, but they don't follow. Why? Why is Judge Coughenour accusing Donald Trump of not following the rule of law? Let's figure that out tonight in this video. This article is by Reuters. The article is titled, U.S. Judge Accuses Trump of Ignoring Rule of Law to Curb Birthright Citizenship, by Nate Raymond, same thing. And the article reads, a federal judge in Seattle on Thursday accused Donald Trump of ignoring the rule of law for political and personal gain as he declared an exclusive executive order that the Republican president signed seeking to curtail birthright citizenship to be unconstitutional. There was applause in the courtroom after U.S. District Judge John Coughenour extended an order he had issued 2 weeks ago, temporarily blocking Trump's order from being implemented into a nationwide injunction lasting indefinitely. Quote, it has become more apparent that our president, the rule of law is but, or that to our president, the rule of law is but an implement to his policy goals, end quote, Coughenour said. An appointee of Republican former President Ronald Reagan, quote, the rule of law is, according to him, something to navigate around or simply ignore, whether that be for political or personal gain. Trump's administration late on Thursday filed a notice that it was appealing the judge's decision. The White House did not immediately respond to a request for comment. The judge's ruling came in a lawsuit by the Democratic-led states of Washington, Arizona, Illinois, and Oregon, and several pregnant women who argued that Trump's order violates a right enshrined in the U.S. Constitution's 14th Amendment that provides that anyone born in the United States is a citizen. Trump's order directed U.S. agencies to refuse to recognize the citizenship of children born in the United States after February 19th if neither immigrant or neither mother nor father is a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident. Trump signed this executive order, part of his sweeping hardline immigration policies on his first day back in office on January 20th, 2025. Coughenour's preliminary injunction is one of two issued by the federal judges so far blocking Trump's administration from implementing the order. A federal judge in Maryland issued a similar injunction on Wednesday, and judges in Boston and New Hampshire are set on Friday and Monday to consider whether to do the same at the request of Democratic-led states that immigrant rights advocates. Drew Ensign, who is a lawyer for the U.S. Justice Department, said that the plaintiffs were misreading a key U.S. Constitution or U.S. Supreme Court ruling from 1898 in the case United States v. Wonka, which long has been interpreted as guaranteeing the right to birthright citizenship. The reading of the 14th Amendment. Amendment's protections were, quote, demonstrable, unequivocally incorrect, Einstein said. Really, ladies and gentlemen, I highly doubt our founding fathers would misinterpret and misenter into any type of text into our U.S. Constitution, because then that would be considered falsifying records. Continuing with the article. But Coughenour, during the brief hearing, said the plaintiffs were right and that, quote, no amount of policy debate can change that, end quote. The judge said Trump's administration has sought to deprive children born on U.S. soil of their fundamental right to citizenship by cloaking what was effectively a constitutional amendment in an executive order signed by Trump. Quote, there are moments in the world's history where people look back and ask, quote, where were the lawyers? Where were the judges? Question mark. End quote. Coughenour said, quote, in these moments, the rule of law becomes especially vulnerable. I refuse to let that beacon go dark today. The judge was similarly blunt on January 23rd when he temporarily blocked Trump's action. Quote, I've been on the bench for over 4 decades. I can't remember another case where the question presented is as clear as this one. This is a bluntly unconstitutional order, end quote, Coughenour said at the time. Well, ladies and gentlemen, first things first, that is going to conclude it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do consider liking, commenting, subscribing, as well as sharing the video out. Because, let me tell you, that'll help me out a huge heck of a lot. And please help me reach my goal of 90 subscribers. We're currently at 77 subscribers, 87, 88, 89, 90, which means we need 13 more subscribers to reach the channel goal of 90 subscribers, and then we have more goals set up on top of the school that we are trying to reach. Before I end today's video, please do make sure that you go follow my links down below. My Twitter, or not Twitter, sorry, Instagram, Snapchat, and Threads, as well as favorites. I will soon be starting to post on favorites when I posted a brand new video. Lastly, please make sure you hit the bell icon to make sure you get notified whenever I post a brand new video on the channel, and that you hit the subscribe button, to also get notified when I post a brand new video, and as well as to help me reach the goal of 90 subscribers for the YouTube channel. Thank you everybody for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video and talk to you guys then.